Her arm, right arm. Her arm is very small, but I think she can take it. It's similar to other techniques that I have, but this one I get more. You get
It looks worse than it is.
yeah, like this. Okay, there you go.
Ooh. Oh.
Shake again. Not too hard, not too soft. How's the pressure?
Good.
I reach to you. Stay together. Dress.
My arms feel like jello, but in the best way. Hi, my name is Andrea. I am a hairstylist of almost 10 years now. I met Milo about 3 years ago now. He has changed my body forever. I am on my feet like around 10, sometimes 12 hours a day. I've also been in like a lot of car accidents. My back has just really struggled. Milo has done more for me than like physical therapy, honestly. From the first session that you didn't know anything about me and you knew, you were like, you're in your head a lot. And I was like, how do you know?
Yeah.
How do you know all this stuff?
Yeah.
I've been hooked ever since. The reason why I started seeing him was because my pain was getting really bad. I couldn't even like foil hair or blow dry without, I was losing like feeling in my right hand. So it's like carpal tunnel, which a lot of hairstylists struggle with. I just was going to bed and waking up in pain. I didn't want to feel that way anymore. I'm more flexible. It's easier, I feel like, during our sessions for my body to release all of that.
Yeah.
It's easier to release
Yes,
now.
exactly.
You've used the hammers. You've done cupping on my arm.
Yeah.
You'll shove your foot up my armpit sometimes. Oh my god, the abdominal massage. The first time we did an abdominal massage, it was intense. It was very painful, I'm not gonna lie. Every time we've done an abdominal massage since, I feel just very like at peace the rest of the day.
Yes.
Definitely more relaxed. My stomach feels a lot more like I have better digestion.
Yes. Yeah.
And I don't have as much air. Like I notice when you're massaging my stomach how much air I have in my stomach. It's so crazy. Like I didn't know that you could actually like shove your fist all up your stomach and it's supposed to be like you're supposed to be able to do that.
Yes.
I like the pain.
Okay.
Now, like it's like if I'm not feeling the pain, I feel like it's not doing anything.
Yeah.
So I'm almost like addicted to it in a way where like I like feeling that pain because I know it's releasing. It hurts so good.
Hop on my table then.
Okay.
Let's do the work. This is Andrea's favorite.
It is. Anything with my arm. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. That sounds abnormal. That feels so good.
Since you're working hard at the salon, so I'm gonna focus on both right arm and the left arm and the fingers here, and she get numbness here, so I have to work on it. So this is really tight. It's a build-up fascia, so they come and go. Fascias come and go, and so I've been taking care of her arm for a long time, and she get the benefits of my technique.
I also feel like after the sessions where we work my arms, I go back to work and it's like I'm like a machine. Like my arm can just keep going and going and not get tired. For me, like that's the area where I feel the most.
Yeah, it's soft now. Before it was so thick,
hard.
like a big rope.
Yeah.
From here all the way here, and all the way here, and then here.
Yeah.
It's
We say it's crunchy.
Yeah, very
what we say.
crunchy. When you overuse your arm, repetitive movement, this nerve get tired and they get numb because of the fascia's build up. It get thicker and thicker all the way down here. Here, they're all connected from here. The thoracic syndrome here. And then you get headache, insomnia, anxiety, depression all over here. Pain, shoulder pain. So that's what I'm clearing up because they're all connected. I used to smash you all the time.
Mm-hmm.
Did I ever walk on your arm? You wanna try today?
We can try it. You
Okay.
dropped on my legs, but not on my arm.
Yeah, your arm. Okay, so Andrea's her arm is very small. There.
To breathe.
Yeah.
Ooh.
You get more of the pressure. I don't just you look at me. I'm really intense like this, but not right. Look, look at this.
it looks worse than it is.
Yeah, like this. This is Andrea's favorite. The arm fit. Yeah, this many times.
I know.
You still have. This one built up already.
Yeah, I can feel it.
It's like a big lump.
In the back.
Yeah, in the back.
Ah.
Yeah, she hits this when I do this to her.
It's like you don't pay attention to that on a day-to-day, your armpit, but it holds a lot.
Yeah, it holds a lot. And this is gentle, like for me, just shoving your thumb inside like this. There's so many nerves in here that you have to be careful. Not too long, not too hard. Break up the fascia.
I learned through you that you can get knots on your collarbone.
Yep.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. This is we hold our emotion too here.
It's really cool because you can feel it releasing, and I can feel like my blood flow, like just getting better.
Mm-hmm.
And the areas that were hurting when you first started are like less painful.
Yeah, less painful.
But it's become relaxing for me through the years. I can't get a normal massage now. It doesn't work for me.
Yeah.
I feel like I wasted my money. So, a warning: if you come to Milo, you'll never be able to get a normal massage again.
So now because she complain numbness, then now we have to open up. See? Now the energy will jolt, go all the way down there. You feel that?
Mm-hmm.
Get ready. Oh no.
What do you
Dos.
do? Oh, I love this.
Yep. Now we're doing the hilot massage from my country, Philippines. Now the blood is circulating now, it's warm up. Mm-hmm. So the muscle is ready now to get more work on to prevent numbness, tingling, sensation, pain, discomfort. Now you feel the pressure? Now we're moving the surface of the muscle that build up fascia. Beginning, I'll do soft to warm up more. There. Mm. Is it unbearable?
No. The other side was actually worse.
Yeah, this one.
That side. And
Okay.
you think you don't have a lot of stuff built up there, but you do.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna use the big one. Roll it.
It's tingly.
Yeah. Because here there's a pressure.
Uh-huh.
Pressure here and then it comes out here.
Mm.
Massage, especially in Thailand, they go deep.
Okay.
Yeah. Not the surface. Okay. Okay. This is really hard pressure, right? Feel that?
Yeah.
Mm. Mm. Okay, goodbye. Right arm. You know it's true, and maybe true. That's I surrender. I surrender.
The singing is free. The mini concerts.
Mini concert with Andrea. This kind of massage, you can't get this in a small table, the regular massage table, because you can spread your arm, huh? I'm working on this nerve or vein in the back, right here. This, all the way up here. It's very simple here. When the muscle or tissue are open, have more space, your energy will flow. No pain. So this is how I do it. If you have a back pain, this is the best massage. There's no fancy technique with the lower back. Hot towels. Okay, this is the conclusions of working with the arm. So that's the very basic of my work. Okay, Andrea, congratulations. So how do you feel?
I feel great. Super relaxed.
My background is I'm Filipino, and we practice ancient healing techniques in the Philippines. And I added more modalities around Asia, East Asia. And so I would like to share that knowledge and skills and technique. Happy universe!